How to create inventory products in QuickBooks. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create inventory products on QuickBooks. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to sign into your QuickBooks account, just like I have done here. And then once you've signed in, next step is move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see some icons such as the search button, the notification icon, and then the gear icon. Just click on it that way. After clicking on the gear icon, a window will be displayed. In this window, you can see some columns. Move to the list column, and under it, click on products and services. After clicking on products and services, you'll be brought to the product and services page. Then the next thing to do is to click on add the products or services. This is if you did not added any before. But if you have some product and services before, what you would select is the new option. All right, kindly take note. You select the new option, whichever one, just select it. After selecting it, by the right side of the screen, a box will be displayed showcasing non-inventory, service, and bundle. So, service and bundle are the non-inventory products. So, you can select any of these two and create them. So after selecting service, for example, the next step or the next thing to do is type out the name of the product, the SKU, the category. Then you can now go further to add a picture of the product, describe the product, add the rate, income account, all right. Select the kind of accounts you want the this product, the sales from this product to go into, and then check this box, then go ahead and click on save and close, and then just like that your inventory products will be created. You can also do the same thing for bundle, which is the second kind of inventory product um on this particular application. So after clicking on bundle, type out the name, SKU, description, products, save and close, and you are good to go. Ensure you try this out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.